turn that off, dude. How you gonna do?
He's going.
Royal purple. Let me get that back one there. Right there, right there. Royal purple, baby. Put in this first journal right here now. And right there, right there. Okay, this is where it gets kind of tough because you gotta really put pressure on the back. Holding it. I guess that's why you got these screws. See, these water pump screws?
Yeah.
Otherwise, there's no way I'll be able to get on that back bearing back there. Right there, okay. There, that's it, buddy. So you put a Trick Flow 238, 242 and an LS1. Royal purple, baby. That's it. Alrighty. Pull these out here, and that's it, man. Start assembling everything else back on. Cam plate and all that, water pump. You name it. I'm gonna fire this bitch up a little bit later.